Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the chasing 3D animations. One is running and one is chasing. You can see this cube is running, then the sphere is chasing. And finally, the cube cannot outrun the sphere. How to make this type of the 3D animations. Start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. I'm going to just start a fresh new Blender project and I don't save it. I just click the empty area, press A and delete everything to start from beginning. First, I'm going to just add a sphere. This sphere is going to run, and I'm going to just create another mesh that is a cone. This cone is going to chase after the sphere. And finally, the sphere cannot outrun the cone. So first, I'm going to just set the keyframe for the sphere to just make it move away. So first, I'm going to just click and create the keyframe at the first frame. Then after that, after some frames, this sphere is going to move to somewhere. Then I add the keyframe. Then after some times, just go to here, lift up again. This is another keyframe. Alright, now just have a play. You can see this sphere is running away, something like this. Alright, just look at the X-plane. Come to here. Maybe I want this to just go up a little bit. So replay again. Right. So how about looking from here? And then if you look from the Z, right, now at least this is an animation. So next I'm going to just let this cone to just face on the sphere and then chase after it. So first what you need to do is just click the cone and hold the shift, click the sphere and Control P, just bind it first as the sphere will become the parent. Now next one, click the cone and then just go to the constraint, just add a constraint track to this one. So which one to track, you can just change which face you want it to just go face to the sphere. You can set it properly, and as demo I'm going to just put a sharp edge towards the sphere. Alright, now it already become the parents. No matter how you play it, it is going to bind together, something like this. And then next, what you need to do is set the keyframe for the cone. Right. So now this is the first frame. You just need to go to the object and just fix the keyframe in this way. Then after some times, alright, you want this to just go and approach this. So when you click it, the orientation you must set it to local. Then once you already set the local, then just make it approach a little bit, then set the keyframe. After some times, again make it approach a little bit, set the keyframe, and after that play again. After some times, set the keyframe, then finally play. At this moment, you just need to make it outrun, something like this, then set the keyframe. So now we take a look on this. Now you can see it lift up together. Alright, So to make this effect better, you can just set the first frame, something like this. Then save it. Now try to play again. Now you can see it chased like a missile. And of course, you can just make all of this keyframe to become nearer, then it will go faster. Then we try again. Try to play. Right, it hits. Alright, so look from this angle. So now you can see this cone is chasing after the sphere and finally outrun the sphere. This is the way to make the chasing effect. One is running and another one is chasing. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a running and chasing 3D animations just by using the Blender 4.2. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!